Hi, my name is Kayla Swan. I am 10 years old, and I am just going to introduce myself because I am making a YouTube channel. I have a best friend. Her name is Ava Mix. She's in the 4th grade. I'm in the 5th grade, and my name is Kayla Swan, as I already said, but that's okay. And I enjoy reading, doing gymnastics, playing outside with my friends, and I like to swim, and some of my other friends are Katie, Presley, Lily, Kayla, all sorts of people. So I was just making this video to let you guys know that I'm making a YouTube channel, and you can just see me every Wednesday on my YouTube channel. So, bye. Thanks for watching.